Today, we'll be panelizing a commercial building using MWF. We will then be outputting the Scottsdale CNC output as a SCS file type, which can be read by both the Scottsdale design software as well as the RF production software. We start off with an architectural model in Revit. Users can select the walls that need to be framed. Everything is populated manually, including any noggins, truss headers, and all the walls are individually panelized. All panels are tailor-made, regenerable, and can change according to the project's needs. Once the templates and markers are finalized, users can frame the entire building within a matter of minutes. Openings can be changed to any header configuration in a matter of seconds. MWF also supports floor trusses and roof trusses. They can be generated within the model in just a few clicks. Trusses can be customized to any webbing configuration in the designer. Once the framing has been completed, the model can then be outputted to Scottsdale through MWF CNC. This option allows users to create the standard EP2 export files using the export to RF functionality within Scottsdale. The last step is to import either output file type into the Scott RF production software. The MWF output file can be loaded directly into the Scott RF software for frame production.